I'm going to show you how to use that on my iPhone today, but you can do that on any device, PC, laptop, desktop, mobile device that has a web browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my home screen, click on the app. It'll bring me to the login screen. So none of the information is stored locally on my device. What that allows me to do is I don't have to install anything on my physician's phones or devices. They can use that anywhere they want. What you'll see when I log in is I'm looking only at my patients that are on my rounding list at one particular hospital for today. You can see that I've already seen Mark Ingram. So I'm going to go through and do a few encounters real quick. The easiest thing to do for a patient you've seen before is hit copy last. What that does is it brings forward the diagnosis codes, procedure codes from the previous visit for that particular patient. Assuming that nothing has changed, all I have to do is click on Save and Complete, and that encounter is finished. It brings me back to my rounding list. It'll show me that that encounter is complete. Then I can move on to the next patient. Now, certainly every encounter is not that easy. Let's do another one. This time I'll hit copy last on Mr. Elway. Brings forward that visit, but you'll see I did an initial admit the first time, and maybe I can't do that again. So I'll hit the X to wipe out that line item, and then hit plus. That takes me to my favorites list for procedure codes. You can make this as long or as short as you'd like. It can be physician specific. So if it was a subsequent level 2 visit, I can click right on that text. It'll select the code for me, bring me back to the encounter summary screen, which shows me all of the codes that are selected, right? So if I want to tie that to the particular diagnosis code, I can. And then again, once I say save and complete, that brings me back to my home screen. So once the physicians have done these charges are completed. They are available to be batched in AccelaSmart so that the billing staff can take care of the rest. It's a brief introduction to AccelaMOBILE. I hope that was helpful for you today.